The hospitality of the pigeon couple. Once upon a time, there lived two beautiful pigeons in a forest. They were husband and wife. They spent their day looking for food. In the evening they would come and rest on their favorite tree in the forest. One evening, the wife returned home early. As usual, she was waiting for her husband, when suddenly it started raining. She started to worry. "Where are you, my dear? You never get so late," she whispered to herself. Just then she saw a bird catcher coming towards her. In a string, he had a pigeon. It was her husband. "Oh no, what shall I do now? I wish I can help my husband," she said. She desperately tried to distract the bird catcher by flapping her wings, but all in vain. Soon, it stopped raining. "Brrr. It is so cold," said the bird catcher. His clothes were wet. He decided to sit under the same tree where the two pigeons lived. The poor wife sat by her husband's string, and she started to worry and cry, as if her heart is breaking. The husband said, "Do not feel sad, dear. We now have a guest. This man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help." Hearing this, the wife flew around getting dry twigs. She made a fire for the bird catcher. Then she looked at the bird catcher and said, "You are our guest. Since I have no food to offer, I will jump into this fire. In few minutes I will become an edible item for you. You can eat me." By now, the bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the humble pigeon couple. He at once stopped the wife jumping into the fire. He opened the string and set the husband free. "I have been cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird in my net again," said the bird catcher and went away. The two pigeons were happy to be reunited and lived happily ever after.